Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook slow roast beef. First, select a high-quality cut, like a 2 to 3 pound boneless chuck roast or a top round. Pat your beef completely dry using paper towels. This step is crucial for achieving that desirable golden brown crust. Now, season it liberally all over with 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. This simple seasoning forms the foundation of incredible flavor. Achieving a deep, flavorful crust starts with searing your roast. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a sturdy Dutch oven over a consistent medium-high heat. Carefully place your seasoned beef into the hot oil, searing it for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. You want a beautiful, deep brown crust all around the roast. Next, add 1 large chopped onion and 2 sliced carrots to the pot, stirring them for about 5 minutes until they begin to soften. Now, for the slow roasting magic. Pour 2 cups of rich beef broth into your Dutch oven, making sure it comes about 1/3 of the way up the sides of the beef. Securely place the lid on top and transfer the pot to an oven that has been preheated to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Allow it to roast undisturbed for 3 to 4 hours. The roast is perfectly done when a meat thermometer registers an internal temperature of 185 to 109. Exploring Japan's rich cultural heritage involves various activities and entrance fees. Most major attractions, like temples or castles, cost about $10 for admission. Consider unique experiences, such as a traditional tea ceremony, which might be $50. Remember to allocate funds for shopping and souvenirs, as these can add up quickly. It is also wise to include a small buffer, perhaps $150, for any unexpected situations or treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.